We have two similar problems, 2 to the power of x equal to 4 and 2 to the power of x equal to 3. When should we apply logarithm and when we should not? Whenever you can transform the bases into an exactly the same values, then we don't need to apply a logarithm. But once you cannot, just go ahead and introduce logarithm. For instance, the first one, we know that 4 can be expressed as 2 to the power of 2. So if that is the case, we know that 2 to the power of x equal to 2 to the power of 2, which means that x must be equal to 2. But in this case, where you cannot change 3 to a base of 2, introduce logarithm. And always introduce logarithm to the base you have here that contains the exponent x. So we introduce logarithm to both sides with the base of 2. You also do the same thing, log to the base of 2 of 3, so that this becomes only x. Because whenever you have this situation where you have log of a number raised to the power of an exponent, but that number and the base are exactly the same, then it will give you output of x. And this is equal to log of 3 to the base of 2. Which, if you like, you can use your calculator to simplify it in decimal. So whenever you can transform the bases into an exactly the same values, do not introduce logarithm. But once you cannot, go ahead and introduce that logarithm. That's the difference between them.